Swiss Interior is an interior design company established since 2012. At Swiss Interior, we take pride in all projects and provide the same amount of dedication and attention regardless of the project size. Our dedicated team of interior designers take great pride in listening and analyzing all our customers' needs, goals, and design preferences to customize each project brief to their personality and lifestyle. Using technologically advanced computer-aided 3D software, our design team develops and finalizes design drawings, perspectives, and space planning layout to ensure that our customers are happy with their design plan before starting work on their renovation. We collaborate with well-known brands such as Nippon Paint, Blum, Hefel, Hettich, Hafre, just to name a few, so you can be rest assured of the quality of our projects. Head on down to our showroom to start your renovation journey with us today.